Welcome back to Vehicle Insights. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's minds. How much does owning an electric vehicle really cost? We all know EVs are the future, but beyond that sticker price, what are you actually paying for? From maintenance and insurance to charging and depreciation, we're going to break down the real costs of EV ownership. First, let's talk about the basics. Electric vehicles come in all shapes, sizes, and price ranges, from affordable compact cars to high-end luxury models. But no matter what you choose, there are a few key costs you want to consider. Let's break them down one by one. First up, the purchase price generally. EVs cost more than their gasoline counterparts when you buy them. While you can find some models in the $30,000 range, luxury EVs can go well over $100,000. But here's the good news: many regions offer tax incentives, rebates, and even lower registration fees to encourage EV purchases. In the US, for example, the federal tax credit can save you up to $7,500, depending on the car and your tax situation. Check out your local incentives to see how much you could save up. Let's talk about charging. Unlike gas, electricity is often cheaper, but how much will charging actually cost you? Home charging is typically more affordable, with costs averaging between $10 to $30 a month, depending on how much you drive and your local electricity rates. Public charging can be pricier, especially at fast charging stations, where you might pay anywhere from 30 cents to 50 cents per kilowatt hour. For a rough comparison, many EV owners report saving about 50% on fuel costs compared to gas vehicles. If you're a frequent driver, that could really add up over the years. One area where EVs really shine is maintenance. Since EVs have fewer moving parts, they generally cost less to maintain. There's no need for oil changes, transmission repairs, or fuel system fixes. That means lower maintenance bills, around 30% less than gas vehicles over time. Next up is insurance. EV insurance tends to be higher, mostly due to the higher initial cost and sometimes specialized repair parts. However, some insurers are now offering eco-friendly discounts, so check if you qualify for those. Depreciation is another big one. EVs are still relatively new, and some models can depreciate faster than gas cars. However, popular models from established brands like Tesla and certain luxury EVs are holding their value pretty well. Plus, as more people switch to EVs, we may see better resale values in the future. So, if you plan on selling your car within 5 years, check the resale trends for your model. It can make a big difference in your total cost of ownership. While EVs might have a higher sticker price and insurance, you're likely saving on maintenance and fuel. And remember, EV incentives and lower energy costs can significantly reduce your total expenses. So, is an EV worth the investment? That depends on your driving habits, budget, and how long you plan to keep the vehicle. But hopefully, this breakdown gives you a clearer picture of the costs you can expect. If you're already driving an EV, let us know in the comments how has it worked out for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on all things vehicles. Catch you in the next one.